Hey guys, so in today's video we have this super beautiful natural it's not that natural, but it's natural for me, neutral glam look going on. I keep looking on my side mirror because girl, I'm proud. You know when you don't expect to do something really good but you execute it so well and you're just like, that's all you, sis? That's... You did that? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then stay tuned, continue watching, talk and get ready with me. I'm kind of bland. Like I'm real unseasoned when I'm tired. But I feel like I'm always tired, that's the thing. Face is already primed. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And sometimes I like to mix two different primers. I think it's just because I see influencers do it, so I'm like, I'm gonna do it too. My last eyebrow lady fucked up my brows, so lately I've just been tweezing, and so it takes me such a long time to actually get my brows done because I feel like it's just not the same than a thread. Threading, girl, listen, threading is life. Once I started to thread my brows, I never went back to waxing, period. I am mixing the Too Faced and the L'Oreal foundations together. I really like the Too Faced foundation because I have dry combination skin. Well, no, I have dry normal skin, and so it leaves my face feeling really moisturized. And I always just add the L'Oreal just because I don't really want to use too much of my Too Faced. Really lightly. Color correct, you might think, but oh my god, you don't need it. But oh my god, I feel like I have hyperpigmentation. I personally like to apply my foundation in sections. I like it when it's still wet. Pause. But yeah, one time I was like, I just put like my foundation on all over, and it started to dry up on one side, and like it was so hard to blend out that it was like starting to streak, and I'm like, am I that dry? Like why are you trying to play me for? I'm using just like a MAC brush. This is actually like a foundation brush, number 196. It's not really to blend out your concealer, but I like it because it still allows me to get a full coverage, and it blends just super duper easy. Like, y'all, okay, stop trying to play me. But look at this, you know, there's like highlight on it. But yeah, this is the Huda Beauty in shade Kunufa. Set the areas I highlighted, but we is not going to bake. Okay. Some Sephora to dust it off. I mean, there's nothing to dust off, but Alyssa Ashley told me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. And my makeup gonna look bomb. Okay, thank you. Heavenly. Then we press it in. I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. I mean, I can, but I feel like I'm not really making sense 100% of the time. But yeah, I just don't really like to contour with cream because my face is already slim. It's narrow. This is the ABH blush trio and Berry Adore. I usually go in with all three because all these shades are popping. This is a BH Cosmetics brush that I've had for like 6 to 7 years, and it started to break apart, which is why I put pink tape around. So don't come for me in my ratchet ways, okay? Be frugal, you know? Rather spend my money on food sometimes. Okay, so we're done with the face for now. I like to do the highlight at the end, depending on like what my makeup look is going to be. So guys, catch this blend though. When I'm off camera, like I'm still blending for like a good like minutes. Good minutes. I don't know how many, but good minutes. Okay, go and like blend your eyeshadow till you're satisfied pretty much. There's no such thing as too blended. No such thing. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the white shadow from the Alyssa Edwards palette called Headliner. Then I'm gonna do Dreamer and Wild Child. Cause I kind of want like 3 colors to transition, you know, ombre. I'm gonna use this brush right here. Have you ever seen a white shadow be so crisp? Like, it's almost disrespectful. Blend it like that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm in love already. And I just got an idea of like something I'm gonna add on top of the white. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all is not ready for me. Yo, like, but do you see the pigmentation? It's very subtle, but you can see it type subtle, you know? Guys, it's so pretty. I hope you guys can see the difference though. Like, come on. Come on. Well, I want to go out now. Where's Bay at? And with the Milani matte liquid eyeliner. If I can open it, sheesh. Look at me already. Already fucking up. We're gonna blame the eyeliners, not me. Damn, this is really drying out. No, please. I cannot. We're just gonna go over it with the black so it doesn't look so crazy. Got the lashes, we looking bomb. We looking hella bomb. Anyways. So basically the transition shades will go at the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I love doing this part because I know I'm about to be done. Look at that. Come on, man. You can't tell me this wasn't made for me. Popping. Oh, I fucked up. I forgot to set my face before doing this. Oh my god, just forget it. I know colored lip gloss was always a thing, but I never really owned one. I don't know why. I just always stick to like clear or shimmers. And so yeah, I am just obsessed with this though. But we're gonna top it off with Jlarue's lip topper and tan lines. I'm about to go put my wig on and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Super simple, cute, all that and a bag of chips, okay? I have not heard that phrase in like years. But yeah, so I just popped on my wig, you know, non-glue. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in with your girl. I look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not, hold up, if you have not seen my latest video, click it right now. I just put it right there for you. So it's like super easy to just, I mean, you're sitting watching YouTube, so you might as well. Okay, I'm just clearly feeling myself.